Today, we're going to register the Badoo service. Simply click on Sign Up. Here you will see three options: continue with phone number, continue with email, and continue with Google. If you don't want to use your personal email, you can register it using an online number. Click on Continue with phone number. On the sidebar, you will see many countries listed. You can register this service using numbers from these countries. To get a number, go to the website. Click on the dating category, and you will see the Badoo service there. You can also find it by typing Badoo in the search bar. After selecting the service, click on Countries, choose your preferred country, and then click on Get Code. Instantly, you will receive a number. Copy this number and open the Badoo app. Enter the number here and click Continue. A reCAPTCHA will appear. Complete the verification. Once you complete it, you will be asked for a verification code. You don't need to do anything else. Go back to the website, and the code will appear there automatically. As you can see, the SMS has arrived. Enter this code here, click Confirm, and that's it. Your account has been created easily. You can use the same method to register any other service. Just complete the remaining profile details inside the app. You can see how simple and fast this process is. If you want us to register any other service in the next video, let us know in the comment section. Thank you.